Hello, I'm Dr. Donese Worden, a naturopathic medical doctor practicing medicine in Arizona. I'm also a researcher and educator. I'm honored to introduce Nättovīta, a highly fibrinolytic nutritional supplement to you. It's sold exclusively to healthcare practitioners. Many of you may know the benefits of nattokinase for cardiovascular and heart health. However, worldwide, its possible indications are for increased longevity, improved cardiovascular function, and blood flow. Also seeing reduction in dementia, prevention of osteoporosis, strokes, heart disease, hypertension, and intestinal disorders. Nättovīta's ingredients include vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that can mitigate damaged tissue, platelet aggregation, and assist in muscle growth and regeneration. B6, having cardiovascular benefits, include binding oxygen to the hemoglobin in the blood and it assisting in glucose, lipid, and amino acid metabolism. Vitamin K2 is another critical component. K2 is necessary in the formation of osteocalcin, which helps incorporate calcium into the bones. It's also important to use with vitamin D to decrease the calcification concerns by regulating the levels of calcium as well as affecting the viscosity. CoQ10 is a powerful antioxidant, and multiple studies and books have been written to document its cardiovascular benefits. And now current studies are looking into neurodegenerative diseases, particularly Parkinson's. It is also helpful in improving blood pressure and glycemic control. Folic acid. This may help prevent folic acid deficiency anemias by assisting in the production of red blood cells. Proteinase is an enzyme that catalyzes the breakdown of proteins into beneficial amino acids. It may also help reduce symptoms of food allergies, rheumatoid arthritis, and other autoimmune diseases. Reported recovery from injury and exercise is why it's popular with athletes. Bromelain and papain. These are enzymes that decrease pain and vascular inflammatory responses. Now to talk about the most important ingredient, nattokinase. It's a pro-fibrinolytic enzyme extracted from fermented soybeans. It has an unmatched length of activity with ranges from 8 to 12 hours after oil consumption. That is in comparison with injectable fibrinolytic agents used in hospitals, which last only 4 to 20 minutes during treatment via IV infusion. It's been the subject of 17 studies, including 2 small human trials. Researchers from biotechnology research laboratories and JCR Pharmaceuticals tested nattokinase's ability to dissolve a thrombus in the carotid arteries of rats. Animals treated with nattokinase regained 62% of blood flow, whereas those treated with plasmin retained only 15.8% of blood flow. Many physicians throughout the world, including myself, have seen nattokinase's ability to lower blood pressure. In Japan, it's utilized for childbirth due to its high nutritive value and antibacterial effects. I utilize nattokinase extensively in my practice in many ways. Remember to treat the individual patient, being mindful of bleeding disorders and medications that may decrease the clotting cascade. I've utilized nattokinase to wean patients off warfarin and Coumadin while monitoring their INR and ProTime. This must be done under a physician's care. This is a powerful and productive enzyme. I also have patients who are sitting for prolonged periods of time, such as travel, altitude, and pressure, and I have them utilize nattokinase to naturally thin the blood. I personally suggest doubling the dose for these situations while educating the patients on signs of blood thinning. The recommended dosage, 1 cap BID taken on an empty stomach. I personally believe nattokinase will continue to rise in acknowledgement for its benefits. The next step is ensuring you are getting a quality product. Always ask your companies to provide laboratory analysis for the quality control you should demand. VitalZyme is a company that I know strives for the most efficacious and pure products. Try Nättovīta in your practice and rest assured that you have done your diligence to ensure that your patients are being provided the most pure and efficacious products. Thank you for watching.